what do you guys think of this lace swap? If you would ask me about my impression, this color blocking is really giving me Jordan 1 IOG vibes because of the black toe uppers. And honestly, it's like a mixture of basketball and skateboarding culture packed in one sneakers. I will explain 3 important things that you should know first before buying this late restock. I mean, technically this is our restock of the old court purple that was released 4 years ago. Later on this video also I will share some of my recommendations of the lace swaps that I have made. But let's talk about the quality and the build of the shoe first. The shoes are mainly made of 2 leather types. The black ones is your typical Jordan 1 high material. It's soft, but not super soft in comparison with my UNC. Second is the white uppers. It's very tumbled and feels much softer versus the black. Material and quality wise, I would give it a 7 out of 10. The white gums material is still the king of tumbled leather in my opinion. Okay, first thing, I noticed that if you already have a Jordan 1 black toe colorway, I don't really think that it's necessary for you to buy these sneakers unless you're skating. In my opinion, it's already a redundant color blocking with minor tweaks, and if you want to compare it to my UNC powder blue Jordan 1 OG lows, it's, let's say, really having the same vibe. Meaning, if we talk about aesthetics, the court purple is not a new one, to be honest. But if you're planning to buy your first SB or black toe sneakers, then the court purple is really a good option. Second thing, these are very versatile sneakers. That means you can get away with them with different kind of pants. Plus, you have the Jordan 1 OG black toe vibe, and of course also the Nike Dunk Low, a little bit of panda-ish vibe with the benefits of SB comfort and SB materials. When it comes to SBs, I like wearing them with baggy fit. But of course, you can always get away with whatever pants as long as you're just confident wearing them. Just to give you an idea, I'm wearing now my baggy cargos. Now, let's compare this court purple to my other favorite GRSBs, and let's see if there are really differences with respect to this pair. Straight away, you can tell that the court purple has much longer tongue than the other SBs. Also, it's not as puffy or thick compared to the newer GRs like the black gums and white gums. And for the last point, and I think this is also very important, if you are planning to do a lace swap using dark purple laces, I don't think it will look good. Trust me, I have tried them and I'm just disappointed. So don't use dark purple laces. In my opinion, light purple laces would do. Let us check some examples that I have here and let me know, guys, your opinion on them. If you would ask me, I prefer the teal laces color. It's a subtle change but noticeable enough. But how about this red? Gives me Jordan vibes, and you can't go wrong also with orange colored laces. To me, it's quirky and fun. here's the unexpected part. I have tried to lace swap using the sail cream color on the sneakers. Turn out they are my favorite, and just make sure you're using the thick flat laces, which is the same on the Amamanier 3 colorway. In my opinion, it fits perfectly because of the black toe vibe colorway, plus purple is also a complementary color of sail and cream. Just make sure that they're a bit thicker than your normal flat laces. Questions about the lace swap or about the shoes, hit me on the comment section and I'll try to answer them. In terms of sizing, I remain true to size on this court purple. Mind you, I have a narrow, small average feet, but if you're a big-footed human being, I would suggest you go a half size up on the court purple SBs. Very good sneakers, very good value for money on the Nike's lineup. See you around and peace.